On Tuesday, consumer protection organization Consumers Research launched a scathing report about how a group of nonprofit hospitals around the country are using taxpayer dollars to promote political agendas. This fits within a larger theme we've talked about quite extensively here on 10-Minute Drill about how the left has figured out all sorts of ways to get tax dollars diverted to their priorities. This report on nonprofit hospitals is just the latest. Detailed on a website, badmedicine.org, Consumers Research details how certain hospitals are getting tax breaks through their nonprofit status, then acting like political entities, in some cases violating the law on issues like race-based hiring practices, trans surgeries for kids, and much more. The hospitals this report focused on include Cleveland Clinic in Ohio, Henry Ford in Michigan, Vanderbilt University Medical Center in Tennessee, Johns Hopkins All Children's in Florida, and Memorial Hermann Health System in Texas. Consumers Research sent letters to President Trump, to HHS Secretary Robert Kennedy, to congressional leadership both in the House and Senate, and to the governors of each of these states to warn about how tax status is being manipulated by these hospitals to promote their political agendas. One other dynamic to watch here is a number of these hospitals who are manipulating their tax status are also receiving money through a shady program called 340B. You may have heard about this recently. It's gotten a lot of attention in the news recently. It is a program, I'm going to keep this very simple, a discount drug program to help lower income people get medication at a lower cost. But what these hospitals are doing is getting that medication in bulk at that lower cost, but then charging those lower income patients the full price, or charging their insurance the full price and pocketing the difference. So they have massive slush funds they can use for these political agendas like trans surgeries from Cleveland Clinic in Ohio, or as is the case with Cleveland Clinic, Ohio, investing in foreign properties like Abu Dhabi, in London, and building out their own hospital centers across the country, but using the benefits that were intended for lower income patients in places like Ohio. So there's a lot to look into there, and we congratulate Consumers Research for raising the flag on this really important issue that is manipulating our tax dollars for political purposes we definitely didn't vote for. If you like what you're seeing from the 10-Minute Drill, subscribe on YouTube. We have full episodes twice a week and clips every day going through the most important stories you care about.